So we're going to make sweet and sour fish today. Really simple. We're going to fry our fish and we're going to get some vegetables together, garlic, ginger, onions, and we're going to make a really easy sweet and sour, like no time at all. You can do this really fast. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So let's get started with our fish. Now what I've got here is some dory fish, frozen in packets. It's a fillet of fish. I let it obviously defrost, cut it into, that sort of size, Simply what we're going to do is I'm going to get some flour, salt and pepper. Then we're just going to coat it and then fry it. It's very easy. Just going to work that in now, just so we just cover it over. Get all the pieces done. Then off to the cooker with some oil, nice hot oil. We're going to fry this for about 4 or 5 minutes. Okay, so I've got a frying pan here. Got about a centimetre or so of oil. I'm using a canola oil. You can use sunflower or something like that, peanut oil if you wanted. And I've just dropped a little tiny piece of flour in so you can see it's hot. Very easy. In it goes. And then about 2 minutes aside, so 4 minutes in total. It's very thin, light fish. And then once it's done, it comes out onto some paper towel. That will drain off any excess oil. And then we're ready to move on to the next step. And it's really versatile. Like I say, you can make this. Once you've got this fish done, you can make a lot of different things with it. Sweet and sour, hoisin sauce, black pepper sauce. You can sort of just get it in the wok and throw it around with different things. See in about 4 minutes. Okay, you can see it's a nice golden brown. Out they come onto some paper. I've got a few more bits to do because I didn't want to crowd the pan. If you crowd the pan, it just all sticks together. So out these come, and then the other ones are going to go in. Okay, so there you go. By the way, that's about 500 grams or just over 1 pound of fish. Now, if you know what you're doing with it, for example, if you're going to go down the Chinese route, you could also add some 5-spice powder, some ginger powder, garlic powder to the flour, to add some extra flavor onto the fish, but that's entirely up to you. So we're going to go straight in here. I've got my little wok happening. I've got some oil in. I'm using the sesame seed oil for this. We're going to start off by dropping in 1 cup of sliced onion, and you're going to be on a high heat all the way. To that I'm going to add ginger and garlic. All of the amounts of everything are going to be in the text below, by the way. Salt, but don't go crazy with the salt because we're going to be adding soy and oyster sauce and things like that, which are quite salty. Black pepper. Then I've got some carrots here, like a cup of carrots, cut nice and thin, so they cook nicely. Celery, again cut really nice and small. High heat, 4 minutes, keep it moving. Really easy this one, delicious. Really, really simple this. So garlic, ginger, the onions, the carrots. We're going to drop in about a cup of bell peppers, green bell peppers. We're then going to go in with our fish. That can all go in. In just 2 minutes on a high heat. Let's get some of that garlic ginger flavour onto the fish. Then we're going to make the simplest sweet and sour sauce ever. So just a couple of minutes there. Got a nice crunch on the bell peppers. Here we go. We're now going to add tomato ketchup. We've got 4 tablespoons of ketchup. We're going to add fish sauce, which is very salty. A couple of teaspoons, max, because I say very salty. 2 tablespoons of a white vinegar. 2 tablespoons of a dark soy. 3 tablespoons oyster sauce. We're going to add some water. Staying on the high heat, let this go now for about 4 minutes. Again, keep it moving. Fantastic. Off goes the heat, you've done it. We're going to add to that some green onions, or spring onions, whatever you might call them. We're going to go back with a little bit of the sesame oil, just at the end, just for that extra nutty flavour. Little mix, it's done. Let me get that on the plate. Fantastic. Okay, and there you go. Super delicious, super easy. I hope you enjoy that. I'll see you very soon. Keep safe, keep well, everyone. Lots of love. Hi, how you doing? Thanks so much for checking out our videos. Really, really do appreciate it. We're busy as ever. We're pumping out some fantastic food. Well, we think it's fantastic. So Chef June's got his own channel now. Please check that out. He's doing great guns on there, all in Tagalog, some fantastic food he's making. Rahel's doing her Amharic channel, which has been going on for some years now, and she's doing great. But please check it out if you want to know about Ethiopian food, although it is all in Amharic, the national language of Ethiopia. The vegan channel's doing okay. Could do with a bit of help actually, so pop over there and give us a thumbs up and subscribe. We're doing fine. We're still here in Bahrain at the moment. It's very hot, as you could imagine, but yeah, happy as can be. Now, if you'd like to help the channel out, you could buy us a coffee, or there's a little link will pop up now maybe, or something will pop up or something. But yeah, if you want to support the channel, that would help us out a great deal. Really, really appreciate all of you who send messages and follow us, on a regular basis. We love you all. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.